through one of the most exclusive golf courses around the world, Essex County Country Club. This is located in West Orange in New Jersey and holds legendary place in America's sports history. Founded May 1887, it is originally the oldest country club in New Jersey and the seventh oldest in the United States at the recording based on their website. We're going to walk through this history of this course, the merge in the early days of fox hunting that took place here. Long before it was a sanctuary for championship golf, this club was entirely different. There was a merger that took place. The club was built from the merge of Essex Hunt Club and Essex Bone Club. Now, these put together two different clubs. The first sporting event, golf wasn't on the radar at the time. It was completely something different. And as golf evolved in this time of age, early members gathered and would have world events and activities such as polo, tennis, squash, trap shooting, and also fox hunting. Trap shooting kind of threw me off. Nevertheless, the first clubhouse here is not the one you're seeing today. In 1887, the club purchased the former Ocean Springs Hotel, which was a health resort. The building became very first club and was known as the Mansion House. The evolution of the golf course came into play in 1895 with a 9-hole layout by famous golf designer and pioneer Alex Finley, and the game exploded in popularity at the time when the course saw some major renovations, especially in 1917 when the club moved to its current location at the top of First Mountain, and they hired a rookie architect, A.W. Tillinghast, who designed this 18-hole golf course, the upper course. And his work here at Essex County opened a massive praise and acted as a springboard to launch his career and move on to Baltusrol and other big design features that he's had. Also, in the late 1920s, another incredible designer came through, Seth Raynor, who worked alongside Charles Banks at the time and brought the redesign of the layout and expansion of the club into a 36-hole complex. Today, the course is unique and reclaims its composer as three different designs, most famously the 7-hole original Tillinghast, which is holes 1 through 7 and 9. 1 through 6 and 9, total of 7 holes, and the other Seth course holes, which were created another 11 alongside the best 9 in New Jersey, as other local golfers consider. It also seen some touches by other golf architects, most notably, but we're going to dedicate another video to that because we like to keep it short here. This has amazing history. Even Thomas Edison was a legendary inventor, was a club famous resident member, and became a member until his death in 1931. And corporations also involved in roster of this clubhouse, and it's just an amazing historical clubhouse for those interested in golf, and hopefully get over there and document some of the history. If you have any information on this course, or if you played it yourself, let us know down in the comment section below. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come.